Hey, what's going on everyone, this is Reviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys how to connect to free Wi-Fi networks anywhere with your iPhone. This is a really good method. You won't need to ask someone for a passcode for Wi-Fi networks. You will have tens and hundreds of different Wi-Fi networks available to which you can connect for free, and that is of course very useful if you're running low on data, or you don't have the kind of speed that you want with your cellular data. You need to connect to a Wi-Fi network. You can do that for free, and it is very easy. Now, another very easy thing you can do right now is leave a like on this video. It is easy to do, but of course it helps out a lot, so I would really appreciate if you could leave a like on this video. To do that, you will need to install this free app called InstaBridge, and this is amazing. It has thousands and thousands of different Wi-Fi networks in any area you need to, and of course you can go ahead and know their passcode and connect to them without having to ask someone for a passcode or know it by yourself. So let's just go ahead and zoom in here on an area, so no matter where you are, you can see you will have hundreds and of course even thousands of different Wi-Fi networks. So let's just go ahead here and go to an area we want. Let's go here, so you can see we have a bunch of different networks. If we zoom in here, you can see on the small area how many networks there are. You can go ahead and connect to any of them. So let's say you're basically on a place here, you tap there, it shows you right here the network of that place. It will show you all the details. This is an open Wi-Fi, so it won't of course give you a passcode because you can connect it without a passcode, but of course you can filter here, and if we just remove the open Wi-Fi, you can see now it shows only the Wi-Fis that actually require a passcode. So if we go to one of them right there, tap on it, you can see it shows the name of the network, and it will also give you the passcode right there. Tap on here, you will be able to copy it to the clipboard, and then just go ahead and go to your settings, connect to the Wi-Fi, and just paste like that the passcode, and you're good to go. Now this is really good no matter where you live, anywhere in the world. Of course, with location services on, it will just point you right to the location you're at. But if we just go ahead and go here to another country, you will see that on any place you will get like hundreds and thousands of different free Wi-Fi networks. You can see on Santiago here we got a lot of different networks we can connect to. Just by tapping on one of them, of course, we get all the details that we need to know. Tap there, you get the network there, and of course the passcode as well. Just like that, you can go ahead and connect to any Wi-Fi for free without knowing the passcode or without having to ask anyone for a Wi-Fi passcode. And right here you will have your profile, and you will have also a section here to add Wi-Fi networks. So if you want to contribute to this community and of course this app, you can just go ahead and maybe add a network that you're connected to, and then you know the passcode of that network. That would be really good, so of course then other people can also connect to that network. So again, you can see how good this works and how many networks you will find there. Basically on any place you will have a free Wi-Fi network with this app. It's pretty cool, of course very useful probably for a lot of people. So if you enjoyed it and you like the app, make sure to smash the like button of this video, and also don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. That's it for this one guys, and I will see you on the next video.